This video is for educational purposes only. Please use these tools responsibly and respect privacy laws. Today, we're diving into the world of phone number OSINT, open source intelligence tools on GitHub that reveal hidden details about phone numbers. Let's jump right in. First up is PhoneInfoga, one of the most popular and versatile phone number OSINT tools on GitHub. It scans phone numbers for validation, country, carrier, and VoIP status, but its real strength is searching for public footprints across the web. Just input a number, and PhoneInfoga checks search engines, directories, and leaks for any trace online. You can quickly find out if a number has been part of a breach or listed on suspicious sites. The interface is beginner-friendly, but the tool is powerful and automates hours of manual searching. It supports international numbers and is highly modular. You can add custom data sources. Being open source, you get full transparency and control. PhoneInfoga should be your first stop for phone number OSINT. Fast, comprehensive, and easy to use. Scylla is a powerful tool for deep phone number lookups, aggregating info from public sources like emails, social media, and leaked databases. Enter a number, and Scylla correlates it with usernames, emails, and sometimes addresses. Its automated database scanning checks breaches and leaks for matches. This makes it invaluable for investigating digital footprints or verifying identities. Scylla is open source and frequently updated with an active GitHub community for support. If you want to dig up every possible connection a phone number has left online, Scylla is worth exploring. Just remember to handle sensitive information with care. It's a deep dive tool for serious investigations. Sherlock is famous for username hunting, but it can also track down social media accounts linked to phone numbers. Provide a number, and Sherlock checks hundreds of platforms, from Facebook and Twitter to niche sites. Many people use the same number across sites, making this a game changer for mapping online presence. Sherlock is customizable, letting you add platforms and automate reports. As open source software, you can see exactly what it's doing. If you're serious about phone number OSINT, Sherlock is a must-have. It's fast, thorough, and surprisingly effective, perfect for uncovering hidden social profiles. Osint-Phone-Number is a lesser-known gem that combines validation, carrier lookup, and footprinting in one tool. Enter a number, and it quickly checks if it's mobile, landline, or VoIP, plus carrier and region. If the number appears in leaks or online mentions, you'll get notified. It's lightweight and portable. Run it on cloud servers or even a Raspberry Pi. Great for quick checks or integrating into larger OSINT workflows. Balances ease of use with surprisingly deep results. Ideal for both beginners and pros needing fast, actionable insights. A one-click solution for basic phone number OSINT. Phonebook.cz leverages a massive international phone directory for global OSINT work. Input a number to search its extensive database for names, addresses, and sometimes emails, especially useful for cross-border investigations. It pulls from official registries and user-contributed data, surfacing info not easily found elsewhere. Access via web or command line, making it flexible for any workflow. If you need to validate numbers internationally, Phonebook.cz is a must-have. Truecaller Scraper automates lookups from Truecaller's database, extracting names, emails, and profile photos linked to a phone number. Just input a number, and the scraper fetches as much data as possible, sometimes even social media links. Truecaller's user-driven database means you get real, up-to-date info. Use it ethically and respect rate limits. For verifying identities or digging up extra context, Truecaller Scraper is a powerful ally. Numverify is all about validation, making sure a phone number is real, active, and formatted correctly. It's an API-based service for automating checks on number existence, country, and carrier. This step is critical to avoid chasing fake or mistyped numbers. Numverify returns structured responses, format, location, carrier, line type, and validity, easily integrated into scripts or larger workflows. It supports numbers from nearly every country and is built for scale. Automate your validation process with Numverify for rock-solid data. Twilio Lookup isn't just for messaging. It's a powerful OSINT tool for validating phone numbers and checking their type. It provides carrier info, caller name, when available, and flags suspicious numbers. Accessed via web dashboard or API for automation in larger investigations. Twilio's global reach covers numbers from almost any country. The documentation is excellent, so you'll be up and running fast. While not entirely free, it's affordable and reliable. For accurate phone number intel, Twilio Lookup is a top choice. CallerIDFinder specializes in reverse lookups, pulling names, locations, and user-contributed tags about a number's activity. It combines public directories with user feedback for a nuanced picture. Great for identifying spam or scam calls. See warnings if a number is flagged by multiple users or confirm legitimate business numbers. Web-based, with open-source scripts for bulk investigations. Clean interface, easy for beginners and pros alike. CallerIDFinder is your go-to for quick, reliable reverse lookups. WhatsMyName connects phone numbers to online usernames, mapping digital identities. Input a username or phone number, and it checks hundreds of sites for matches. Discover if a number is used as a recovery method or listed in profiles. Open source and command line friendly, it's easy to integrate into OSINT workflows. For building a complete profile around a phone number, WhatsMyName is invaluable. Social Analyzer searches for social media profiles, emails, usernames, and phone numbers across hundreds of platforms. Feed it a phone number and it maps out someone's online presence, profiles, forum mentions, and related emails. Customize which platforms it checks and automate reports for large-scale investigations. Open source and user-friendly, with a clear dashboard and export options, suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. Gather and organize intel with ease. For wide coverage and big picture analysis, Social Analyzer stands out. Phone-Number-Analyzer is for those who want granular, data-driven phone number investigations. It analyzes patterns, checks for fraud, and flags suspicious activity based on usage trends. Beyond validation and carrier lookup, it examines call frequency, geographic anomalies, and historical data. Uses statistical models to spot outliers, great for fraud detection or cybercrime research. Open source and scriptable for automation at scale. For scientific OSINT, Phone-Number-Analyzer is your tool. OpenCNAM delivers real-time caller ID, instantly revealing who's behind a phone number. Input a number and get the registered name, when available with speed and reliability. API-driven for easy integration into scripts or workflows. Supports numbers from many countries and updates frequently for accuracy. Transparent about data sources, so you know your results are trustworthy. Perfect for security professionals needing instant validation. OpenCNAM is a must-have for fast, reliable caller ID info. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these tools ethically and legally. These resources are meant to empower and protect, not invade or exploit. Let me know if you need a word count or further tightening.